gonna talk to me now? I bet Daddy can't wait to see these videos. I know he wishes he was here. You want this?
It's time for a rhyme. Turn the page.
It's all empty.
I see you. Do you see me? I'm the sheep. Can you press me? Swing around the roses, the doggy takes the
You want
kitty.
this?
Hush-a, hush-a, there was. Turn the page. Little Bo Peep has lost her. Turn the page.
Yeah? You like the talking book?
Turn the page. Mary had a little mouse, she's quite a show.
There's that shoe again. She's not going, Mouse. Not that this one's really been worn ever. You haven't walked anywhere in it. His mommy carried you all the way in.
Turn the page.
And there we go for the shoe again.
Fluttery butterfly. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Ring around the rosies, the doggy takes the kitty. Hush-a, hush-a, they all fall down.
But you don't realize that this has stuff inside of it. It has animals inside of it. They're in there somewhere. You see them?
Fluttery butterfly.
You see them? Can you see them? What's that?
Turn the page.
What's that? That's a giraffe you have. That's a giraffe. And that's a llama. The llama and the giraffe. Yeah.
It's time for a rhyme. Turn the page.
Yeah, you still got a little bit of a cold, don't you, sweetie?
I see you. Do you
And so
see
does
me?
Mommy.
I'm the
I
cat.
have the same cold you gave me last time I was here. It's hard to get in there, isn't it? Let's open the door up a little bit more. There you go. Now it's open. You see anything else in there? I'm losing track of the video camera here. See anything else in there? Yeah. Let Mommy get that, sweetie. There we go. Oh, no, 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 no. Are we going to do this again? Everything goes on the floor. You waiting for me to pick it up? Huh? Yeah, I know. Mommy not playing your favorite game, which is drop things and watch Mommy pick them up? Here you go. We can play throw the llama. Throw the llama. Throw the llama.
I see you. Do you see me? I'm the dog. Can you press me?
Throw the llama. You got the throwing part down, don't you? Hmm? Mama's over here. And the llama bites the dust. Mama, get that. There you go. Put the llama inside there. Put that back up there. Uh-oh, time to throw the llama. I think I started something. You're going to be throwing that llama for the rest of your life. Every time you see the llama, you're going to throw it.
I see you. Do you see me? I'm the sheep. Can you press me?
Yep, this is definitely Nadia's favorite game. Throwing the llama. Throwing the llama. That's as far as you go. It's as close as you get to the edge. Mm-hmm. That's a llama. Yeah. Oops, there's a shoe again. Where's that? Oh, we're going to throw the shoe now? I can see it coming. There it goes. There it goes. There's the shoe. The shoe bit the dust. And now the llama bit the dust. There's your llama, baby girl. There's your llama.